Welcome to the Watch List. I'm Lindsay Melchek. I'm sitting today with Dominique Doucet, founder, CEO, and director of Sirios Resources Inc. Hello, Dominique. Thank you for joining me today.
Good morning and pleased to meet you too.
So let's begin with your press release from October 7th. Can you delve just a little bit deeper on the strategic assessment that led to the identification of high priority targets at the Cheechoo Gold Project? And specifically the findings from the winter 2024 drilling program, where those are most significant.
Yes, thank you for asking the question. Initially, we wanted to evaluate the potential of underground mining using a ramp on a specific high-grade zone, which is the Eclipse Zone, which is located outside the core of the main Cheechoo gold deposit.
Okay, now, this is all intriguing to see that this is all coming along. And the press release also mentioned the dual potential for both open pit and high-grade underground mining at the Cheechoo site. So can you discuss the implications of the dual potential for the project's future development and how it might impact your exploration strategy?
In fact, the successful result that we had drilling the Eclipse Zone led us toward more deeper analysis and studies that we did with collaboration of geologists and even mining engineers. And we were quite pleased for the assessment. And then, having proved the continuity of high-grade in the Eclipse Zone, we decided to take a look to the high-grade intercept, the many and numerous high-grade intercept that we had in the main deposit. And we find out that, in fact, the enrichment zone that we have in the main Cheechoo deposit may have high-grade shoot of really mineable size. And then there's a lot of potential to find many other eclipse-type high-grade zone within the large tonnage low-grade deposit. So then we may imagine that the project is transforming into a kind of hybrid mining situation with open pit and underground, and we don't know at the end of the day which will be the most important part of the mining potential of the deposit. Low-grade, open pit or underground or mix of both.
Well, it sounds like it's almost like, Christmas Eve when you're opening up that present. So let's flip over to your October 3rd. The company released a press release regarding the fieldwork in the progress on the gold Aquilin property in James Bay. So what's significant of this recent fieldwork at this property, and how does it align with the Sumitomo's investment strategy?
Let's say that with Sumitomo, we're following an exploration plan from the beginning. It's a step-by-step. It's all its plan toward the goal of a defining drilling target for the end of this year that will be drilled next winter. So this is the last step that we did in the last weeks. And by the way, next weekend we'll visit the site with the Sumitomo geologists to make an overview of all this and to prepare for the next winter for the first drilling program with them on the property.
There is so much going on for you, and it's all sounding very, very exciting. So thank you so much again for joining me today, Dominique.
Thank you very much for inviting us.
Again, that was Dominique Doucet, founder, CEO, and director of Sirios Resources Inc. To join the conversation and for all your market news, head over to stockhouse.com. I'm Lindsay Melchek. We'll see you soon.